To get a MIDI keyboard or not get a MIDI keyboard? That is the question, and we're going to try to help you answer that question in this video. Welcome to another simple green tech video, where we look at tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you create great audio content. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Radio Zane, and in this video, we're going to try to answer that question: is a MIDI keyboard necessary to make music? Well, the short answer to that question is no. No, you don't need a MIDI keyboard to make music. However, a MIDI keyboard can help you with your workflow, speed it up, and it can also help with your creativity. Now, let's look at some of the ways that a MIDI keyboard or a MIDI controller can help with the creative process. First up, you get the most obvious thing: you have an actual keyboard to play on. So you can make your music more musical by playing on actual keys, as opposed to drawing your chords or notes in a piano roll. Another way a MIDI keyboard can help you is for when you're searching for that perfect synth patch. While you're scrolling through all the presets, you can be playing chords or notes on your keyboard, and you can hear what each one sounds like in context to the song that you plan on creating. I know personally, I've discovered some great sounds just by doing this. Also, some MIDI keyboards have different controls that you can route to your DAW. Some have transport controls so you can control playback, recording, and navigation in your DAW. And some also have different sliders and knobs that you can route to your mixer and control mixer levels, or you can route to a synth and you can control various settings on a VST plugin. This can really help with your workflow, help speed things along, and it kind of gives you that feeling that you have hardware to control and it's not just software. Another reason that you might want to consider getting a MIDI keyboard is that some have touch-sensitive pads. So if you're a beat creator and you want to create some new rhythmic ideas or add some variety to your sound, you can actually play some beats on the pads and create something totally new. And just like real synths and real keyboards, MIDI keyboards come in various sizes. You can get nice little mini ones that are perfect for traveling, or they're great for small workspaces, or you can get full-size 88-key keyboards, and they're great for your home studio. No matter what size or what style you're looking for, there's sure to be a MIDI keyboard that will fit your needs. Here's a few of the popular MIDI keyboards that you can consider. First up, we'll look at the Akai Mpk Mini Mk2. It comes in a variety of colors, and it's feature-packed for a mini keyboard. It has 25 keys, 8 touch-sensitive pads, a 4-way thumbstick, 8 assignable fader knobs, and much more. And it typically runs for about $95 US. Another MIDI keyboard that you might want to consider is the Nectar Impact Lx 25. It's slightly bigger than the Akai, as it has 25 full-size piano keys. It also has 8 touch-sensitive pads, 8 assignable fader knobs, and it also features transport controls to control things like navigation, playback, and recording in your DAW. The Nectar Impact Lx 25 usually goes for around $99 US. And now let's look at a very budget-friendly option. If you just want the keys and you don't care about all the fancy knobs or dials, then you might be interested in the 32-key MIDI Plus AKM30. You get 32 mini-size keys, so they're not the full-size ones like the Nectar, but that's pretty much all you get. You get the octave controls and some modulation wheels, which is pretty standard on any MIDI keyboard. But this option will run you about $36 US on Amazon. Not too bad. And those are just 3 of the more popular options. Of course, there are many others that you can choose from. So now I want to know, do you think a MIDI keyboard is necessary for your music workflow? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you plan on buying a MIDI keyboard or if you just purchased one. You can tell me which one you got or which one you plan on getting. And of course, if you want to see more tips, tutorials, or reviews like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.